When I use the Magic Eraser tool to erase the background from a layer, it's often hard to see how many of the pixels are actually been taken out against this checkerboard background. So I like to add a colored background behind it. We can automate this process by making an action to do it for us. Go to the Actions panel, make a new action, and we'll call it Purple Background. And I'll give it the shortcut F to amp this record. Now all I have to do is record all the steps. Double-click the original background and make it into a layer. Choose New Layer by a copy. Select the color I want. And now use Option or Alt and Backspace to fill with that color. I can now use Command or Control and the left square bracket to move that layer down, and Option or Alt and the right square bracket to move the focus up to the layer I want to work on. That's all it is. Let's press the Stop button. And you can see all of the steps detailed in the action. And that action is now recorded. If I now revert this document to the original, all I have to do is press F2. It will do all that for me automatically. And I can go ahead and start erasing my background. And this time, I can see precisely which pixels remain to be taken out. You can create actions to replicate any repetitive tasks that you do in Photoshop and recall them all with a single keystroke. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.